Good morning, students. Today I am here. Welcome back with the second part of the video, that is houses around us. Let us discuss the question answers for this session. So, before discussing the question answers, come to page number 24 of your textbook and let us see some pick the correct answers. So, first come to page number 24, take the correct answers. The first question coming to you is, there are different rooms in a dash. Different rooms are present in house. So, house is the correct answer. Now, let us take the second one. A kacha house is made up of dash. Now, kacha house is made up of bricks or bamboos. It is made up of bamboos. Yes. So, the second answer is bamboos. Now, the third one. A house provides dash. Food or shelter. House provides us shelter. Now, the next question. We should keep our neighborhood clean or dirty? We should keep it clean. So, now come to page number. You have been noticed this. Now come to page number 25 of your textbook. On the textbook, starting is with the match the followings. Now, there are two columns. One is of rooms and the other one is of activity. Now, as you can see, the room and activity. So, room. One room you should match with the activity. What activity is done in that room? Now, first is kitchen. So, kitchen is used for cooking food. Living room. Living room is for watching TV. Now then it is bathroom. In the bathroom what you do? Bathing means you take bath. And bedroom? Bedroom is for sleeping. Okay? Now, let's take the another point which is there present on the page number 25. Now, take the correct which is already known to you. Means in this question you have to put a tick mark on which you know, then you should put a tick mark. So, you know, identify the different room in a house. Now, you can identify the different types of room in your house. So, put a tick mark. Identify different types of houses. How many different types of houses are there? Two different types. One is kacha house and one is pakka house. So this one also you can do, then put a tick mark. Now, identify the significance of different places in our neighborhood. You can identify the different places in your neighborhood. Yes. So that also put a tick mark. Now, coming to the next point is, come to page number 28 of your textbook. Come to the page number 28 of your textbook. On that, two questions are given and the first question is present on the screen. That is, what type of houses do you live in? So now let us see the answer. I live in a bungalow, apartment, single bedroom house. Now out of these three, you can write any one. Like you should, if you live in a bungalow, so you can write I live in a bungalow. Or if you live in an apartment, so you can write I live in an apartment. Or if you live in a hut, so you can write I live in a hut. So any one answer you write, that is correct. Okay, you can write any one answer whichever is right. Next question. Write any two materials that are used for making a kacha house. Now, what all materials I have taught you, that you have to mention here. I have given here many materials. You can write any two out of them. Any two. Just you have to write any two out of them. It is mentioned over here. See, any two. So you can write any two, whichever you like. Now, the material required for making a kacha house are mud, straw, wood, stone and bamboos. So you can write any two like mud and straw, straw and wood, wood and stone, stone and bamboos. You can write any two, whichever you like. Okay. Now next one. Next is the fill in the blanks. Now let us take a fill in the blanks. I'll read one blank for you and I'll give you the answer for that. Okay. A tent is a dash house. Now tent is which kind of house? It is a permanent house or a temporary house? Let's see the answer. Yes, it is a temporary house. Dash are built in the cold region. Now what are built in the cold region? Igloos. Igloos are built in cold region. Now a dash is a house on wheels. Now what is house on wheels? Caravan, right? So caravan is a house on wheels. A houseboat is made up of dash. It's made up of wood. It is made up of wood. Now come to page number 32 of your textbook, and you will get there two questions. One is question answer and one is match the followings. So first let me take the question and answer for you. Mohan stays in a place where it rains very often. The roof of his house is flat. What type of roofs should he have and why he should have that kind of roof? Now Rohan is a boy. Wherever he stays, there is a lots of rain. There rain is lots of, and then what it is said, the roof of his house is flat. It is having a flat roof. It is not having a slanting roof. It is having a flat roof. What type of roof should he have? Now which type of roof Mohan should have and why he should have that type of roof? Now let's see the answer for it. It should have a slanting or a sloping roof. Mohan should have a slanting or sloping roof because it allows water to flow down easily. When there is this kind of house like slanting or sloping house, so water will fall down easily and it won't collect the water. In the flat roof, the water will get collected. Now let's move to the next question. Now starting with match the followings. Match the followings. There are two columns. Let's see the first column. In the first column, all the roofs are mentioned in it, and the second column in which the activities are mentioned of, in which roof will connect with which activity. So now let's take the first one. First one is flat roof. Now taking with the flat roof will connect to plain areas. Next one is slanting roof. Slanting roof will connect to rainy areas. Okay, in the rainy areas there are slanting roofs. Why there are slanting roofs? Because the water should fall down. Now arched roof. Arched roof is igloo, and igloo you can see in snow covered areas. So snow covered areas to arched roof, and then hilly areas or sloping roof. So hilly areas and sloping roof you can match together. Okay, so here we end up with our question answer session. Study and note down all the question and answers whichever is given. Okay, till that time, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.